Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. This time we have this. It is an unboxing of iPhone. I ordered this about 1 week ago and the scheduled delivery is supposed to be the 28th of December, but I'm surprised it got early, and today, 24th of December, Christmas Eve, it has arrived. So upon receiving, I actually tore this, but I have not really opened it up because I thought maybe we would do an unboxing together, so let's do it now. And I believe from the size of this box you would have already probably guessed what phone I got for myself. This is the phone. So as you can see, this is an iPhone and it's a larger box, and from here you are able to tell that it is iPhone 14. The specification is on top here. It's iPhone 14 Pro Max, and here's the seal. So let's do it together. I think we're supposed to open the top of the box. They provided a seal on the top, and like the bottom is where all the serial number is being printed. So I believe each phone has got its own unique number. So yeah, here it is. This is our phone, and as you can tell from this video, this is iPhone Pro Max 14 in black color. Here it is. It's kind of large in size. This is about my palm size, and let's measure the dimension. That's about 8 cm, oh no, 7.5 cm in width, and another 16 centimeter in height. In comparison to the iPhone 12 Pro, which is the one that I have got way earlier, which is a smaller size, this iPhone Pro Max is about 2 centimeter longer than the iPhone 12. iPhone 12 is 15 cm in height, while iPhone 14 Pro Max is 16 cm in height. And as for the width of the iPhone 12 Pro, it is 7 cm in the width, and iPhone Pro Max is 7.5 cm. So based on measurement, it is not much of a difference, but if you were to hold it on your hand, you can actually feel the difference. You have got to balance it whenever you walk, and because you never know, when you are walking and then pressing the numbers at the same time, you may lose balance, and drop it quite easily. So here's the side of it. It's all full black, and the back is actually metallic. I've got the iPhone logo here. Very nice, very sleek looking, and I like it because it's kind of slim. It's just the weight of it. I think it's maybe 20% more heavy than the iPhone 12 Pro. Yeah, but of course, having a larger size is always better for your eyes, so that you do not have to strain your eyes when you look at whatever text messages. Some of the time when you look at photos, you may want to use 2 fingers and zoom into the photo, which of course takes up a lot of hand space. So if, for example, you are holding something on your left hand and you can't really see what's on this small screen, you may have to use 3 fingers to hold it and then just zoom in like this. But with a Pro Max, you can just simply use one hand, browse the photo, hardly any zooming involved, which is something that I would much anticipate. So do you want to look at the inside? Maybe let's take a look. yeah, very nice. Check for the scratches, and usually they wouldn't have any scratches. Yeah, this is my phone. Not sure if we can start it up. Let's press the start button. Maybe this one is a 2 button. Yeah, okay, here it is. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, I think we can around 15 and lesser. Yeah, I think 11 to 15 seconds setup. Startup. Yeah, and the battery is 3/4 filled. When you get it brand new, it's 3/4. So the advice is, of course, you would have to, charge it to full and then let it fully dry out so that it can last the phone. That's about it, guys, and let me go ahead to do the setup. And the good thing about Apple is that when they actually deliver your phone, they will inform you the phone has been delivered, and you can actually set up a personal support or time slot. I've already set it for it to be in 4 days time, so that I can get the help of the support to actually transfer the old data from my old phone to this new phone. So very excited about that, and once this has been set up, I will have a new phone to use. Yeah, and I have also purchased 4 other phone covers, which is still on the way to be delivered to my home. Yeah, and that's about it for my unboxing. Hope you like my video, and if you love it, click on the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so that next time round you will receive a notification when I upload any unboxing video. That's about it. Thank you for joining me in this unboxing session. Talk to you guys next time. Bye.